If your body could tell you exactly what it needed, would you listen? There are 650 named skeletal muscles in the human body, 206 bones, 78 organs, close to 100,000 miles of blood vessels. A complex system that we hardly ever think about. But what if we did think about it? Everybody wants to be healthy, whether you're in great shape or just trying to get there. Everyday life, along with stress and toxins, keeps our bodies chronically inflamed. And doctors tell us that many degenerative diseases are triggered by chronic inflammation. On the day-to-day, how many of us can say we look and feel great? How many of us can say we have an edge? How many of us are showing up for life? So, if your body could tell you exactly what it needed, would you listen?